Wall stays, also known as top retaining stays, are used to safely attach cast iron radiators to a wall and stop them from being pulled over. This short video will show you how to install a luxury cast iron wall stay from West Radiators. Start by securely attaching the wall plate at the correct height. The joining spigot is then screwed into the wall plate. The threaded stud is then screwed through the threaded clamp plate and attached to the spigot. The clamp plate is now set at the required distance from the wall. If using more than one wall stay, all clamp plates should be set at the same distance from the wall. We are now ready to slide the radiator into position. Once in position, we need to locate the running clamp plate, the fibre washer, and finally the nut. We hope this video has been of interest.